Hi, I'm Jason White, president of the Aero-Mach companies. Aero-Mach is a family-owned company incorporated since 1971, located in the aircraft capital of the world, Wichita, Kansas. Aero-Mach is the industry's most trusted source for manufacturing, repair, and overhaul of avionic instruments, as well as fuel management components. The Aero-Mach family of companies is made up of Aero-Mach Labs, specializing in avionic instruments and fuel management components, TCO Manufacturing, specializing in electrostatic dischargers, and Wilco, specializing in distribution services for Concord Battery, Whelen, and other various distribution lines. Don Bolin, our founder who created this company in 1971, was not only a great owner and president, but also a great mentor and friend to all of the employees at Aero-Mach. Aero-Mach has been providing resources to trusted brands in the aviation industry for over 50 years. Aero-Mach is an FAA and EASA-certified repair station, specializing in Class 1 through 4 instruments, as well as Class 2 and 3 accessories. We have over 50 technicians specializing in avionic and fuel management components here in our Wichita facility. Most of them have over 20 years of experience in our 100,000 square foot location. Our management team consists of 12 individuals with over 350 years of combined experience. Some of that is homegrown talent, and some of that comes from various sources outside of Aero-Mach, consisting of OEMs as well as FBOs. Our customer service team consists of 5 individuals with over 25 years of experience each. We feel like we have the best customer service team in the world. You know, when you call, you're going to speak to an individual every time. Our Wichita facility is an AS9100 as well as AS9110 approved facility. From a customer standpoint, you know that we have been audited and you can trust the repairs and manufacturing that we're going to perform. At Aero-Mach Labs, our skill sets include project management, electromechanical and software design, DO-160 testing, DO-178 software development and testing, rapid prototyping, highly accelerated testing and highly accelerated stress screening, collaborative development, design experience with a variety of countries and OEMs. At the Aero-Mach family of companies, we're going to continue to provide leading industry customer service, quality, and lead times you know you can count on. With the Aero-Mach family of companies, we're here to keep you flying.
Hi, I'm Mike Hatrick, Vice President General Manager of Aero-Mach Wilco, a member of the Aero-Mach family of companies. We are a leading distributor in the aviation industry. We carry numerous brands that are the leading manufacturers in each of their niches, and we only carry that brand. We don't try to be all things to all people. We want to carry the best in each product line and make sure that we support you so that we can keep you flying. I have over 40 years of experience in aircraft parts, all general aviation. My staff has a combined 90 years worth of experience in aviation. One of my staff members owns 3 of his own aircraft. So when he's talking to an aircraft owner, he understands what that aircraft owner wants. He understands the realities of prices of parts and supply of parts, and being able to get it in a timely manner and being able to get the right part at the right time with the first phone call. We like talking to customers. We actually prefer to talk to customers. It's the easiest way for us to confirm that you're actually getting what you need. We operate out of roughly 17,000 square feet of space. We have 10,000 square feet, give or take, for our aircraft parts business, and we have roughly 5,000 to 7,000 square feet for our steel side of the business. Wilco's a little different than most parts distributors. We don't try to be all things to everybody. I pick, or we pick, what we feel is the best product line within each separate niche. We carry Concord batteries. We carry Hutchison Aerospace, which is bearing mounts. We carry Lamar Technologies, voltage regulators, contactors. We carry LP Aero windows and windshields. We carry PM Research, which is erosion boots, erosion tape. Power Products is your battery chargers, your battery analyzers. We carry both sides of the Rapco house. They have the brake linings, the brake discs, the vacuum pumps, and then they have the corporate brakes and the corporate fuel pumps that they overhaul internally. And then our last, probably our biggest line, Whelen Aerospace. Formerly part of Whelen Engineering, but it is their lighting division. We are their single largest stocking distributor in one location in the United States. We're an old school distributor. I feel that we should be distributing to you off of our shelf. We should not be living off of the manufacturer's shelf. In addition to that, we also have our rotable lines. We have the products that we get repaired, we get overhauled, and then we have them available. That way, you're getting it off the shelf. We're not needing to send it out, and we just exchange you out, and then we move forward. Wilco holds 18 STCs. They cover Concorde batteries, they cover wheel and lights, and they cover Cessna single-engine retracts. 4 of them are landing gear inspection mirrors. It's a safety item. It allows you to see your nose gear and even your opposite main gear from the pilot seat, simply looking out the passenger window and looking in a mirror that reflects back and shows you that your gear is down and locked. In addition to that, we have a vent system for the Cessna 210 series aircraft that changes the old louver style vents to a WEMAX style metal directional flow controlled valve that you can point where you need it to be pointed, or you can close it off when you need it to be closed off. Very efficient, relatively inexpensive to install, and much more attractive. For the past 25 years, Wilco has been a distributor of 4130 steel sheet and plate. We carry 16 different thicknesses in both annealed and normalized. We can cut internally any of our steel up through 0.190. Anything beyond that, we have contractors locally that we use to cut. With UPS ground and with FedEx ground, 90% of the time the shipment's going out the same day we get it. I can get anywhere in the continental United States within 3 days. Our normal office hours are Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 Central Time. We are available to you 24/7, 365. In fact, just last night we had an AOG call out. We got the customer the part he needed out the night he needed it, so that airplane's being fixed again this morning and on its way. Our goal is to keep you flying, and we do that with quality products, service, and support.